What is up, guys? Welcome back.
Alien dito.
Sir, it's gonna be my name. It's Paolo Levy. Paolo underscore Levy.
Type it underscore between the names.
So Paolo and the underscore is Levy at yahoo.com.
Thank you.
Do it. Status quo. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Paolo Levy here. Welcome to another vlog. Let's go over here. So today we are here at Adler Planetarium Museum, and today is a great day to go here because if you're an Illinois resident for today, it's gonna be free. So basically, there's like 4 of us, and all of us are free. You just have to show your Illinois resident card and you can get in for free. If it's not for free, you're gonna be paying like I think $30 to get in here. So you can't beat that, right? Let's go.
Kailangan lalampas doon.
Try guys. Let's see how. Do it one more time.
Ay, ayaw. Tara na!
Hello, telephone. Hello. So if ever you're here in Chicago, the Adler Planetarium Museum is certainly one of the museums that you have to go to. So guys, this is the Apollo 13 lunar surface EVA helmet. Cool. Man. It looks like a helmet from one of the PS4 games. Like, that is so cool. That is so cool, guys. It's like in the movies, right? So guys, this is the actual rock, moon rock from Apollo 15. Interesting. Earth, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, of course, Pluto, and beyond. So guys, just a quick info, the Adler Planetarium was actually founded in 1930, and it's actually the first planetarium here in America. That is cool, right? So guys, we're gonna see how craters are created from this simulation that I made. Just have to wait for the time, press the button, and yeah, here it goes. Alright, that was cool guys, so that's it. Right over there. Dude, say hello to the vlog. She's so busy. She's, I think, doing a... What are you doing? She's doing a panoramic picture. This is so cool, guys. Look at that. Interesting. Command and orbit. Alright guys. Let's see if Karen can drive. So they have a simulation or whatever, so you can basically control the spacecraft, I guess. That's interesting. Can't see it guys.
Puro ganito na lang nakikita ko.
Come on. If you crash this, we're gonna die then. Okay, so basically guys, if you press this button, this trigger right here, that's basically what makes it move. And then if you lean forward and then you press this, see, you're gonna go forward too. And if you make the left, it's gonna go left. Right there. That is awesome. Yeah, let's go. So I think this space is kind of like, I have no idea. This is basically a nursery room. Yeah.
Aray ko. Pambata pala to.
So basically guys, this area is for kids. There you go. It's like a playground for kids, basically. Let's go over here.
Can you try again?
Things you do for love, guys, that's crazy. Yeah? Those are actually cool, right? that one, guys, but it's like $200.
May battery ba?
I think so.
Para picture ng city.
Alright guys, I think that's it. That's basically the tour from the inside. Now let's explore the outside view. I mean, look at this view, guys. Look at this awesome skyline, guys. It's crazy. Alright guys, I have to leave you guys for a bit. Let's go take some pictures. Alright guys, this is so cool. Guys, look at this skyline. I mean, this is really awesome. So one of the great things to go do here in the planetarium is basically to take a picture of the skyline from here. I mean, look at this, guys. It's awesome. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna be ending the vlog here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, just give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you did subscribe, don't forget to click that notification bell right there so that you're gonna be notified whenever I get a new video up. And just an FYI, guys, see that building right there? That's actually the Shed Aquarium. I also got a vlog about the Shed Aquarium, so I'm probably going to link it right over here. So if you haven't watched that, just click right over here, and then you can just watch that first and just come back here, and you already know, right? So with that said, I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace. Before I let you guys go, I'm just gonna leave you guys with this view.